ba, bha. This is the heavy letter dal and dhal. Put your hands in front of your mouth and say pa. Now say pa. Light sound means no air, but heavy sound means extra air. In Urdu, some letters comes in pairs. One is light. It means no air. And one is heavy and it means extra air. That breath is called aspiration. Let's start the simple. Ba and bha. The second one has the breath. Now you will see, writing it here, ba and bha. This is the heavy letter bha. This is the normal sound and this is the heavy sound. The next is pa. You can see pa is a simple letter and pa is the heavy letter. Now I will write pa in Urdu and its heavy sound is pa. Pa. Now you can see pa is the simple letter and pa feels extra air. We'll write again ta and ta sound. This is the soft T sound. Ta and its heavy sound is tha. This is the heavy sound or aspirated sound. So here is the hard T sound. I will write here. This is the soft T sound and this is the hard T sound. Ta and ta. These are the similar but in pronunciation they are the different. Ta and its heavy sound is ta. Now repeat after me. Soft T sound ta and tha. The hard T sound is ta and ta. Here I've written all the letters which have aspirated sounds. Let's break them down. J and jh, its Urdu is Jeem and the hard form is jh. As you can see, j and jh. Che and che. You feel the air in this line and this is normal sound. Normal and this feels air. Now you will understand better. Jeem, J, che and che. Che and its heavy sound is che. Soft D sound is dal and its hard sound is Dhal. Dal, this is the normal letter, and dhal, this is the heavy sound. Same as it is hard D, this is the soft D, and this will be the hard D. Dal and dhal. Dal, the simple letter, and dhal, the hard letter, the aspirated letter. Kaf and K. This is the simple letter kaf, and its aspirated letter is K. This is the letter Gaf, and its heavy sound is Ghaf or Ghe. Now, this is the simple normal letter, and this is its hard sound. So you can see this is the normal letters line, and this is the heavy letters line. If you skip the breath, you change the word. Urdu treats breath as meanings. Let's have a quick recap of our today's lecture. Now repeat with me. Ba, bha, pa, pa, j, jha, che, che, dal, dhal, dal, dhal, kaf, khe, gaf, ghe. Small breath, big difference. Master this and your Urdu instantly sound natural. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.